Hello everyone, it's a guy here, the unknown trader, and today I want us to look at our charts and analyze for tomorrow, see which currencies might present opportunities tomorrow, okay? And I really wish this will help you, as tomorrow it's Friday and there will be a lot of opportunities guaranteed, okay? So let's see what we can anticipate, okay? First of all, tomorrow it's a Friday, so we will be having news around 4 p.m. South African time and 2:30 p.m. South African time. So we're gonna have core PCE price index, okay, and we're also gonna have revised okay, this one consumer sentiment, okay. So now that we are aware of our news, we know that we can expect volatility during this time, so we can just step out of the market if we are in, or we can just trail our stops so that the news don't pin through our profits, okay. So yeah, that's that. So now let's jump into the charts. I want to start with Euro USD, okay, because honestly there has been a lot of opportunities this week, and I know many might have missed all these opportunities, but honestly speaking, there were a lot of opportunities, okay, and we're gonna be analyzing together. But one thing that I want you to realize is I want you to look at how I analyze these charts and understand it, and I'm not expecting you to replicate. If you have your own analysis, fine, just ignore this video and watch it on Saturday, okay, because I don't want my analysis to interfere with yours, okay. But anyway, I'm just gonna go through the charts, okay. So one thing I do is I always start with an hourly time frame, okay, to see my days. So first of all, I'm gonna come here. I have my templates already, okay. So I have different templates. So I did speak about this in one of my videos, okay, and sorry for keeping the volume low. It's around 11 p.m. and I don't want to be making noise, okay, and as long as this video is audible, that is fine. So let's see what we have. Always mark your charts, okay. The reason they are clear now is because every time I choose a template, it brings me a clean template, okay, but I always mark my charts, okay. So basically what do we have? We have you know that I use my chart, I analyze my charts like using all my setups at the same time. But if you look right now, what we have is, okay, this one went up, gave a first green day, and then this one was roughly an inside day, and then on Monday we got a first red day, which is day 1, okay. Tuesday we got day 2, and then Wednesday we got a day 3, okay. This is Euro USD, okay, and I always say day 2s are safe because day 2s are my favorite actually. I want to take the trend continuation provided it is set up well. So one thing I know now from a 1 hour time frame on Euro USD is that, okay, we have a first green day after a day 3. So today did present a very good opportunity because on day 3 we are actually expecting, let me go to a smaller time frame, okay. On day 3 we are actually expecting a reversal, but if you look at this chart, it didn't present a reversal on day 3 exactly. It just presented a reversal today, which was a very great opportunity if you look at it, okay. So here it is. You see they were working the low, so many people got to chase this move, okay. Many people were chasing this move, more especially those who are using a daily time frame, okay. And as we were on day 3, what happened? Okay, and then the next day they just came down, okay. So they gave us something like a double bottom, okay, which is a multi-session double bottom that is powerful, okay. So this is a very nice opportunity just do our highs and our lows, which will later become our range expansion. And we take 3 minus, it's a currency, 3 minus 5 pips, so 5 are right here. So this is our target. Okay, however, we're gonna have another take profit here so that we get paid. Okay, good. Okay, we are analyzing the charts, and we are also going through the opportunities that happened today. So immediately, as you see, when they break out, what time was it? Okay, when they break out, okay, when they break out, we go to a smaller time frame. Okay, as you can see, on a smaller time frame, they broke out, came back down, and engulfed. This engulf shows that they have changed, or the move is like continuing, because this is just a correction. So this is the perfect entry. Okay, and this is the stop. Okay, so today it did present a very good opportunity. As you can see, we had our initial consolidation, they broke out of it, and they pulled back, break of structure. Okay, they pull back. Okay, and then another opportunity to size in. You only size in or enter when you are sure that now they are showing that they are reversing. You see, this is an engulf, this is an engulf, and as you can see, let me show you something quite quick right here. You see, okay, they're engulfing towards going outside this high, because now they made a high. Okay, this is a higher high, so the market is actually making higher highs, as you can see. Okay, so this was your area to size in, but because there were news, okay, you could have just exited this trade. Okay, it doesn't matter with small profits or whatsoever, and then you could have re-entered here after the railroad track, but we're not talking about that. Okay, one thing we have for sure is today we have a fair screen day. Okay, so advisable is to just mark your charts, and this will be a fair screen day. Okay, fair screen day. Okay, this is a fair screen day, and what are we looking for tomorrow? Easy, this is our high. Okay, it's not just a fair screen day, it's day one of breakout in the market. Oh, just look at the spreads. I love this, guys. Okay, it's 6. Okay, fine. So what are we expecting? If we're gonna be continuing, which I say day twos are safe, we want to see something like a dump. Okay, we don't know to which extent, but we want to see a dump, either 25 pip, 50 pip, or 75 pip, or it can even be more, but we want to see a dump so that we can take it to the top. Okay, because if they dump, then they will work the low. Okay, as they work the low, they will present an opportunity. Sometimes they will do this during Asia down, London down, and then towards the end of London they can just start moving back towards the upside, and then during the US they can just pull back and give a continuation trade. Okay, so that's something we can actually expect. Okay, so let me give you an example. Okay, what I'm saying is maybe Asia can dump. Okay, correct a little bit, and then London dumps. Okay, and then towards the end of London, this is quite common, we can get like a new move, of which during US it just continues. Okay, this is highly possible as well, but it's all about the behavior. Okay, and one reason I hate posting analysis for the next day is because most of you tend not to focus more on your analysis. You're just gonna be waiting for this trade, and personally for me, I know that I'm waiting for a dump. Okay, if they work the low, then I have an opportunity. Okay, but I know that most of you don't want to put in the work, you don't want to do the right thing, you just want a handout, which is wrong. Okay, but let me not talk about that today, because that's not the objective of this video. Okay, so basically, if they give me something like this, it will be a very nice day too. Okay, Yes, they can also give a first red day, but if they do that, then I have no trade. Okay, so it's all about high probability, and it's all about behavior on the day. Are they setting up the right way as defined in my in my in my in my trading plan? Okay, if they don't do that, then I'm not there. Okay, I have no trade. But if they actually do as I'm saying, dump, I know they dump to pump. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to show you. As you can see, we had a first green day, and then they worked the high. If you look here, they're working the high, they broke out, they pulled back in using this candle, which eventually closed as pinning golf, and that was the trade. Okay, so fine, tomorrow if they can dump, we can get a nice pumping opportunity for a day two, and then the move might continue on Monday, we don't know. Okay, so Euro JPY, and I know most people have been looking at something like gold, which is just going down, down, down. Oh, guys, look at this. I love this. Okay, this is the spread. It's actually 25 bib. Am I right? No, 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 no. I think I'm wrong. No, no. Yes, I am right actually. This is the spread. The spread is now 25 bib. Okay, this is why I hate trading late. Once it hits 6 o'clock, personally, I want to be out of every trade. South African time, 6 o'clock in the evening. I want to be out of every trade because they will use spread against you. Okay, more especially during the late hours. Okay, you will think you are in a good trade just because you entered into a trade around 6 o'clock. Guys, look at the spread. It's 25 pips. Do you know how big 25 pips is? Here are the prices, but they have closed everyone above here. Okay, they've closed everyone who was in profit here, and possibly by the time they reached here, they've already wiped out everybody from here. So 6 o'clock South African time, always I want to be out of a trade. Okay, let's just proceed. Okay, guys, everybody keeps asking about what do you call setups, but these are the most easiest things. Okay, the hardest thing that I find most people struggling with is actually following the trading plan. Okay, so okay, fine, this was Monday. You see it went up, it correct. Friday actually the market corrected after a dump. Okay, so Monday we got our first red day. This is not a day to trade. This is a signal day, a day that shows you what tomorrow might bring. And then, as you can see, on Tuesday they played very nice. They worked the high. Okay, they worked the high before the dump. That's why I always tell you that. Write this down. That's why I said today we got a first green day. Okay, and I'm waiting for a dump so that I can pump it if it's given and if it behaves the right way. Sometimes it will be an inside day, or sometimes it will just end up as a red day, or sometimes it will set up very well and not move. So anything is possible. Okay, but I'm telling you what I'm waiting for or what I'm expecting. So if you look at Euro USD, okay, look, they were dumping. So the next day, what do you look for? What do you look for? Day twos are the safest, and they are my favorite. Okay, they are my A plus. Okay, because A plus, it's something you understand and something that makes more sense to you. Okay, just look. You see, they started working their high, sending people up. Okay, sending people up. Okay, as you can see, this is okay, sending people up, and then they made an M, multi-session M. Okay, this M was formed in 2 sessions. Okay, yes, and then let's see the second leg. You see, this first leg was formed during London. The second leg was formed during US session. They broke out, gave a break in structure, then they gave an engulf. If you go to 1 minute time frame, everything will be clear and you will get the trade early. Okay, let's go to a 5 minute chart just to see. As you can see, they broke out on a 5-minute chart. Oh guys, just look at the spreads. Oh, the spreads are so crazy. It's late, I'm telling you. After 6 o'clock South African time, 6 p.m. South African time, I want to be out of all my out of my trades, and I don't care. Even if it presents a good opportunity at that time, I'm not taking the trade. Sorry, I just have to stretch my muscles a bit. Sorry for that. So you see, they dump and they pull back inside and they pump. I told you in all my videos, this is my ideal setup. Okay, as they pull back and engulf, this is where you add size. Okay, it doesn't matter if it ends up giving you, because what my target will be on a trade like this, it will be something like, okay, I can take this expansion or else I will take this expansion, and my first take profit is gonna be at 2, and my second take profit is gonna be at 3, of which during this day they don't even get there, but it's fine because I locked my first profit. So even if I come to the screen late and find it here, then I can still exit, okay, because I always divide my interest to 3. Okay, so if it took profit here, I'm safe. I have a little bit of profit. Okay, so these are the things we always talk about. Okay, so I just want you to see that there were a lot of opportunities this week, and if you follow your plan and search for your setup, you will always find these opportunities. Will they always deliver? You will lose sometimes, so no, but most of the time they will, and you will have a good win rate ratio, provided you have a 1:5. As an example, a 1:5 risk reward, you will be highly profitable. This is day 1, this is day 2, this is day 3. As you can see, again today, they sent people up. They were working the high. Okay, they closed these guys, they worked the high, multi-session again. Okay, this is during what time is it? Okay, what time is it? No, this actually happened. Still, it's a multi-session. It's Asia and London. And then what do? They trade, they go, they break. Okay, let's look. The moment they break, we go to a smaller time frame to see if we have a pullback. So they broke and then they only came back here. Okay, so here's a nice entry. They traded back. What time was it? Actually, it was, oh, this is perfect, 3:30. They give the best trade. Okay, but it didn't go that far, but it was a good trade. Okay, on a day or day 3, and we know that on day 3 we are expecting reversals, so they didn't reverse on the same day. They only reversed today, which was still a good opportunity. Why? Because look, sending people down, sending people down, sending people down, sending people down. They break structure here on the smaller one. They break out, they pull back, they engulf. Okay, again, if you are using this one, they break out, they pull back, they engulf. It's not an engulf, but you can see what's happening. Okay, but let's go to a 5-minute chart. Okay, 5-minute chart, you see after there were no news, actually, you see this was a good opportunity. Okay, so anyway, I'm just going through what happened during the week and what I'm expecting tomorrow. Okay, because I want to show you that there's always opportunities on the market. Okay, I wanted to do a pre-analysis video early, but I usually don't want to interfere with your plan. Okay, with your analysis that you've already made. But same as euro USD, we have a first screen day. Okay, what am I expecting? Same thing I'm expecting from euro USD. Dump for an opportunity back to the high, depending on the opportunities they give. Okay, are they gonna behave like that? I don't know. That's what I'm searching for. Okay, so they can just continue, which will mean I don't have a trade, or they can end up as a first red day. It's fine, but this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a dump so that I can take a day 2 reversal, and that by doing so it will make higher highs and higher lows. Okay, fine. Now we go to GJ. Sorry for that. GJ, let's see. Okay, up inside day 1, first green day. Oh fine, you see, yesterday it gave a first green day, and then it behaved very well. This is what I always say. Okay, these days were not clear, so there was nothing. However, when things get like this, I know there's a lot of liquidity along the way, so I get worried. Okay, but just look, it gave a first green day. Okay, first green day. We just mark our chart. I want you to see something very crucial. Okay, this is a first green day. Okay, this is what you do at the end of the trading day. Okay, they stop hunted everybody from here. Okay, stop hunted everybody. Okay, and then they started going up. You see, they engulf, but I don't take my trade yet. The moment they went high, okay, let's see. You see, they went high, broken structure because they closed this guy, and then they pulled back inside. The moment they break here, now we know we have a high. Since this was a high, minor. Okay, so now we are on a 5 minutes. See, they broke out and then they engulf pin. This is the entry. What time is it? Everything is timed. Okay, you see, this is a good trading opportunity, and your profit could be the expansion. Okay, 3 minus 5. So once you subtract 5 from this, it's hit. Okay, why am I showing this trade? Because this is a day 3 reversal trade. This was this is a day 2 continuation trade. Okay, and here the reason I said this was tradable is because it's a day 3. This was day 3, and then the following day, this was after a day 3. This makes a lot of sense. Okay, so I will be waiting for a dump to continue. GJ, this was day 2. Okay, today was day 2, so we can get a day 3, of which I will be expecting something like this, then something like this. But again, I can change my mind so quick. Okay, so quick based on the behavior. But as you can see, tomorrow there's a lot of setups, but still I'm gonna choose 3 and then observe the 3. Audi USD. Okay, 1 2 3, then reverse. Same thing, day 3 we are looking for reversals. We have a first green day. What am I looking for? I'm looking for a dump, then a pump. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. Day 2s are safe. Are they always gonna play out that way? No, they can give us a first red day. Those are just some of the things you must be aware of. Okay, sorry guys, it's a bit late and I'm tired, but I just felt like I should do this video because first green day, because I wanted to help. Okay, so this is a first green day. We are expecting a dump, then boom. But if it just goes up like this, then it does happen most of the time if the momentum is so strong. Okay, or the catalyst pushing the move up is strong. Okay, so when something moves like this, I get worried because there's a lot of order flow here that the market won't just leave unattended. Okay, as you can see, they went up. First red day, it's not an inside day because it break here. First red day, second day, okay, it didn't set up well. but today we have a first red day. Okay, this was not a good setup, it's fine, but we have a first. You see the spread, this spread have guaranteed closed people from here, but this is a first red day. What am I expecting? I'm expecting a dump, then a pump, or maybe it will break, then come and play, and then pump. Okay, but nonetheless, that's what I'm looking for. Okay, I'm left with two more currencies. Okay, what do we have? Okay, this is the high of the inside day, this is the low of the inside day. Okay, so I wouldn't be surprised if we can come and close these guys, send everybody up, and then dump the market. Okay, because 1 2 3 on this week. Okay, 1 2 3, it has been pumping like crazy. Okay, and please bear in mind that I'm not taking into account the levels. It's important to calculate the levels. As you can see, 200, it's roughly, it did go 150. Okay, let me do something right now for everybody to see. Okay, let me pull in the numbers. Just want to pull in the numbers. It's quite quick. I don't like this color because I'm colorblind anyway. I'm a man. Okay, and we men are colorblind. Okay, so let's see. Actually, let's see, where is this number? Okay, you see this move failed here. So what I do usually, I will just mark out where the move is failing, because it's important. I want to know where my move is failing. I speak about this every time. My move was failed in this box, and let's go down to Friday. Okay, it has actually also failed in this box. Okay, so now I've got this two box out of the way, and now what I can do is actually I can calculate. Let me see. Okay, I can calculate. So let's see. Okay, sorry. So let's see this move, 1 2 3. Okay, 75. Unfortunately, they didn't complete the last 75, because this is where the move fell. Okay, so I'm trying to get but it did no. Yeah, but let's see. 75. 1 2 3 75. 1 2 3 75. Wait, 1 2 3 is 1 2 3 is 1 2. So it didn't allow 75 75 75, but now we've got an inside day. Okay, it's an inside day actually, so it can continue, or else it can just do this and then fall. So this one, I will say it's worth observing, but not counting much on it, because the setup is not actually presented in the best form. Okay, but based on the fact that it has been pumping for days and we got this, we shall see what will happen tomorrow. Okay, and then when we look at USD, France, okay, this is USD versus the France currency. Okay, up, okay, inside day, up. Okay, it's 1 2 3. Okay, this week it has gone up 3 days, but as you can see, the pump didn't begin here. So basically the pump began here. Okay, so it is just pumping, and I told you, when it goes beyond 3 days, I no longer have a setup. Why? Because that's not what I take. So I will start from this point. I have a first red day. Okay, first red day, and then tomorrow I will be expecting from this currency a little bit of pump to trap more traders. If it pumps, then it will be a trap, and it will trap again. So this will be a very good opportunity for a dump. Okay, and remember, on Fridays we can have some big dumps. Okay, big dumps. Let's see how many pips it has gone up. It's roughly 290. This is 300 pips. This is 300 pips. So basically on this one we can say it went 300 pips. Okay, so let me just bring in the sweet spots and just see. Guys, I'm feeling really tired now. Okay, I'm tired. I'm really tired, guys, but let me just finish this video. Okay, as you can see, this move failed where I always want to mark where my move is failing. Okay, failing. Okay, and then where did this move begin? It's 1, 2. Okay, which one? It's 100, 200, and in the last 100 box. So it's almost 200. It's almost 300. A rise of 100. So it gave a first green day, first red day, I mean. So we can build from the first red day because day twos are safe provided they dump to pump or they pump to dump. So if they pump to dump, it's a good setup. Okay, so as you can see, we have a lot of currencies that we can observe tomorrow, a lot. Okay, however, please take the ones that have set up well for you. Okay, but we have plenty tomorrow. As you can see, this move, I'm worried. I hate something like this. There's a lot of order block. There are a lot of people who are on profit. Okay, higher high, lower high, lower high, something like that. So as you can see how it's squeezing, okay, it worries me a lot. Okay, so basically this worries me, and here's the good part. Today we got a first green day. Okay, first green day, and as we got a first green day, I will expect a dump for a pump. This is my ideal setup. Okay, and if it does like this, it will be trapping those who are already trapped. For instance, right now there are traders who are being sent down, and people have been chasing this move. Okay, so now go down, they give a first red day, and then if it goes down like this, it's a very good trap. Okay, for a pump. So and B, I'm not saying they're gonna behave the way I want them to behave. Okay, so that's why I'm gonna observe the behavior tomorrow. So yeah, I believe this helps you, and if you find value in this, please subscribe. Okay, comment, like, or share. Okay, for the algorithm, please. I would like more people to get access to this kind of free knowledge. Okay, so tomorrow is Friday. Don't let your emotion jump all over the place. Okay, so I believe this will help you. As you saw, there are those who have set up well, and there are those that have not set up well. So we're gonna choose from the one that have set up well based on the behavior tomorrow. Okay, to see which one we take. So that's the secret. Take what's on your plan, rinse and repeat. Okay, trading is so easy. So I believe I've clarified a lot and what I'm expecting. But if you have your own analysis, it's fine. Continue with them, guys. I love you. Okay.